New iPad, folks. Mark Johnson, Tech Snobs. This new iPad here just came out last week. Apple announced at their education event. Um, it's for consumers as well. Anyone can buy one. It's very, very similar to just the old school iPad. 9.7-inch display. Um, Honestly, what I wanted to do, I mean, it's very standard, classic iPad. But the thing about it, it starts at $329. You can also get an education discount like $299 for teachers. What I'm showing you it against now is my old school iPad Pro from 2016. It looks very, very similar, to this old iPad Pro. To be honest with you, the main things are, of course, that the iPad Pro, and it will hold true with this too. This kind of focuses in as it's focusing on my head. But as you look at this, it nonetheless it has 4 speakers on the iPad Pro, which this one only has stereo at the bottom. But outside of all that fancy display stuff on the iPad Pro, the iPad Pro starts at $599. So $600, you can get this for $329, as low as $299. And get this. This one supports the good old Apple Pencil. So we're going to test that out. We're going to see how this thing performs. I can just tell you flat out, for most people, this is the iPad to get. $329. It's got a megapixel camera on the back. I mean, it does everything good enough. And in a lot of ways, of course, the 10.5-inch iPad has replaced this 9.7 one I had. But the one, caveat, this doesn't have a keyboard connector on the bottom, so you can't hook up the keyboard like you could on this iPad Pro. And this was probably one of the better accessories Apple made in quite some time. And this, it's just a very nice keyboard. It's expensive though, so if you have an iPad Pro, that's like I think $149 or $169 depending on which model you have. But all this can do Bluetooth. It supports the pencil, and it's $329. I keep saying it over because it's like, I remember when the iPad first came out, it always started around $500, and now I've seen people still using first gen iPads. I've seen them using second gen. Like, a lot of people don't upgrade them that much. So to kind of keep this thing going, they're doing a big push for education. Only makes sense that it will support the pencil. There's also this Crayola Crown stylus type device that only educators can buy, I believe, and I think that one's $49. But yeah, we're definitely going to get into this now, check it out, see how this thing performs. I'm going to write on it a little bit, see if I can tell a big difference. Of course, the chip has been upgraded as well, so it's got an A10 chip in it. Even that iPad Pro 9.7 from 2016 had I think it was an A9X. So that's, for all intents and purposes, this thing is rock. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Check out TechSnobs.com if you haven't already. Take care.